Our kitchen renovation is complete and the end result is an absolute winner. I've come back to Kitchenworks to chat to Sam about his fantastic work and to find out what went into the renovation. You know, it's fair to say that our homeowner's previous kitchen was dated, it was impractical, and you know what, it was actually a bit ugly. But no expense has been spared on a complete renovation, and that has been done with a full custom designed fit out by Kitchenworks. And it looks absolutely amazing, Sam, well done.
Thanks, Leah. We were given a brief by the clients to come up with a kitchen that had plenty of bench space, was ultra contemporary and fitted in with the rest of the design that they've put together for the house.
So tell me about the inclusions that the homeowner wanted you to take into account when you were designing this kitchen.
Well, I guess the biggest issue they had with the existing kitchen was just a lack of bench space, a lack of usable storage, and yeah, that's something that's very easily fixable just by giving it a bit more thought. Where things go, we didn't go crazy in relocating appliances. Sink stayed where it was, cooktops in the same location as well. Yeah. But by tweaking within the existing space, we were able to suddenly give them a lot more bench space, a lot more storage.
Oh, you can never have too much storage space.
Exactly, and the right type of storage as well. So drawers, as opposed to just cupboards with shelves, is always going to give you better access into the back of your cupboards. And yeah, just make it a much more easy to use kitchen. So we use Polytex Vanette finish on that one, which is a super matte finish door. It's got an anti-fingerprint surface to it as well, which does mean that when you've actually touching the surface of the doors, which you would be a lot in this kitchen, as it's a sort of handleless push to open kitchen.
I was about to say, there's going to be a lot of little hands pushing those open.
So having a surface like that, as opposed to some of the alternative products on the market, to me made a lot of sense, just to try and get the fingerprints out of the kitchen as much as possible, which can be a challenge with a black kitchen. Yeah. And I think with the product we used, which was Polytex Vanette, it was achieved.
Sam, one of my favourite things about the kitchen is the cabinetry, the way it's just so seamless, you know, streamlined with those push-close doors and the finish on the cabinets as well. I mean, you totally nailed the brief.
Yeah,
well done.
Yeah, and it's a really popular look at the moment to have a really contemporary, streamlined looking kitchen. So I think we've achieved that pretty well in this one.
Oh, you've nailed it.